TapcoSlate was ideal to use for this hotel due to the fact that we needed a lightweight material, and being in the area of the Malverns, we also needed it to be a firm and strong building.
The TapcoSlate roof has really helped with the curb appeal for the hotel, fitting in with the existing aesthetics of the old style slate roof that we already had.
These Tapco slates rather than natural slates probably time-wise took at least half the time off the job.
The Tapco roofing system has held up amazingly over the last 5 years. It hasn't needed any maintenance at all. It was the only slate roof available that was lightweight enough to fit on the existing roof structure.
Really proud of my team for how we used the TapcoSlate product on the Malvern Hills Hotel, as we'd never used the product before.
Dean Potts' team were very professional and polite while they were on site, working effectively with the reception team not to affect guest experience.
As DP Roofing, we are very pleased to have been recognised for an award with Tapco Slates.
Hopefully it will see the hotel through the next 100 years of service, as it's both lightweight, durable and effective.